How to write professional experience. If you remember the way we write summary, the procedure we adopted, so you need to do the same thing. The only difference is that in summary, you have to make sure that less is written. But in professional experience, you need to make sure that more is written. When I say more, it does not mean writing an essay or writing too much. But when I say more, it means you have a chance of elaborating and writing something deeper about what you have done in the past. Again, taking the example of the companies where you worked previously, for example, XYZ Corp, PYO Org, STU Group of Companies, Met Limited, Pet LLC. So earlier, in case of summary, we mentioned one job description in each. And now there is an open margin to elaborate and write about each organization where you worked. For example, just in case you spent 5 years at Met, you spent 2 years at PET, you spent 3 years at STU, you spent 4 years at PYO, you spent 1 year at XYZ. So now start writing the job descriptions of each organization. As you can see, this is the job description of XYZ Corp. Let's read it out. Explored, determined, and rendered fresh possibilities with a consultative approach in a business environment. Efficiently selected and created and organized a sales funnel and pipeline. Gained hands-on experience using the CRM to preserve complete activities and customer details. Qualified leads received via gated content using Apollo, email, LinkedIn, phone, etc. Aggressively worked to expand existing accounts. So these were the job descriptions. These were your roles at XYZ Corp. There is one more thing that you should do is how to write the job description heading. So you can see the top of this page, the pattern of the job description. First needs to be your position. For instance, if you have been a chartered accountant, write chartered accountant at the place of position. Now name of the company, for example, Met Limited. So Met Limited needs to be mentioned over here. Starting date 12 October 2020. End date 4 October 2022. So it could be anything. But obviously there is no established pattern. But just to make things easier for you and just to make things easier for the recruiter and reader of your resume, we have mentioned this pattern. If you follow this, it will be easy and good for you. I hope you understand. In case you have any question, you can visit penhere.com. You can write on info@penhere.com. You can contact us on the phone number you'll find on our website. Or you can write in the comment section of our YouTube channel or Facebook channel. Thank you very much.